Every tertiary institution has many moving parts that can be hard to keep up with. You get to deal with complex data and processes relating to student admissions, result compilation, accommodation, transcripts and certificates, Senate meetings, course registration, and fees payments. This is where SAFRecords comes in. It helps you manage these different parts effectively. SAFRecords is an end-to-end record management system that empowers universities, polytechnics, monotechnic, colleges, institutes and all other tertiary institutions to harmonize their processes all in one place. With SAFRecords, you can receive applications and process admission, collect and process all fee payments, manage the course registration process, manage hostel bookings and allocation, fast-track result compilation, approval and grant student access to approved results, shorten the time frame for applying and issuing of transcripts and certificates, hold more effective Senate meetings and save time, cost and resources with the paperless Senate feature, provide valuable learning experience and resources using the LMS feature, and so much more. A tertiary institution that is globally competitive uses SAFRecords. Give your institution an edge today with SAFRecords. Visit www.safrecords.com today for more information or contact us directly.